carb meal. Tapos gumawa si Kuya ng kanyang chicken burger and the chicken tenders for Madam. Morning, gumawa tayo ng shirataki sa tanghon with pork and our sunny side up eggs, bacon and pork, our inilaw na tuna, and our leftover kambing. That's it. Good morning. This is our low carb meal. Cucumber, avocado, black coffee, our baringon, dilis, and sardines with 2 eggs and squid. That's it. Hello everyone! May black coffee tayo. Ito yung ating low carb, sinugbang belly, sinugbang isda, our manggang hilaw. Thank you Mami Sha sa mangga. Let's eat. Good morning. This is our low carb meal. Tanggalin na natin yung mga vegetables na bawal ha. At ito yung ating sunny side up eggs, our leftover pork and fish. Let's eat. Good morning. This is our low carb meal. May salad, may eggs, may gurayan na, may fried chicken, and adobong pork plus our black coffee. Let's eat. Leftovers ito galing sa aming chicharon, may lechon kawali, pork, tapos itong ating sunny side up, black coffee, inubadang manok, and our sashimi. Let's eat. Tagang handaan sa graduation kay Helmar kag ni Badiday. Low carb lang ang kaunon tada. Hello, good morning. May handa ni Badiday. Simple lang. Kanami. Inuguan, munggo, at sunny side up. May sinigang na pork tayo. Tapos meron tayong pork na pinirito and sunny side up eggs with black coffee. Let's eat. Good morning. This is our low carb meal for today. May avocado, may pomelo, black coffee, our dim sum, sunny side up eggs, our pork, and sasawa ni Madam. Let's eat. Good morning. This is our low carb meal. May pork bola-bola, may Shanghai, 2 hard-boiled eggs, meron tayong sutangon soup, avocado, meron tayong munggos, and our dark coffee. Let's eat. Good morning. Our low carb meal with our dark coffee. Yan. And our lechon. Let's eat. Good morning. This is our low carb meal. Steak with corn and potatoes, with vegetables, and corn soup ni Madam. Let's eat. Good morning. This is our low carb meal. May spam, fried chicken, pork belly, and our kasoy fruits. Ang atong nagarangan, ulimbing, mulberry, and pipino. Tara! Hello, good morning. Our low carb meal leftover nga manok kagabi, ang 24 chicken. Tapos naginot ka-juice baboy lang ka ni Kuya Luis. Tara ka, nagbakal siya sa jungken. Let's eat. Good morning. Our low carb meal, lechon pork, our sunny side up eggs, salmon, and our kasoy and mulberries. Let's eat.